Morning, y'all. I ain't came to y'all in a minute, and I'm coming to y'all from my closet, and this is today's Sunday outfit of the day. Today's outfit of the day is this dress from Torrid, y'all. I just love halter dresses because what it does is it keeps the girls up right and tight, you know, and it's just a little high-low concept. I paired it with some little wedges, y'all, because I like wedges. They thin out these thick legs, y'all. But, y'all, and I just did a slight little beat. Let me see if I can show y'all. So I try not to look at the camera. All I really did was put on some concealer and just kind of little shaded in my eyebrows. But y'all, I love this little dress. Since I'm up early, I was like, let me go ahead, go to church. I need on lotion. Go to church. I ain't did an outfit of the day coming from a closet in a minute, y'all. But yes, let me know if y'all like this outfit. Just paired it with like this little necklace and some earrings. And yeah, y'all always tell y'all from the bottom. Now granted, these some cute little wedges. I didn't really know, you know, what kind of wedges to wear, but they cute or whatever. And yes, y'all, I just love this little outfit. So I always tell y'all from the bottom into the top, and from the middle into the top, and from the bottom into the top. Thank you for watching this outfit of the day, and I know I've been MIA, but go ahead, subscribe if you are not, if you are new. And I see I got a lot of new members of the Nikki Squad, so welcome y'all, or my family. I love y'all so much. Be on the lookout for an update on my weight loss journey, some more cruise vlogs where y'all look at my makeup. It just takes a little bit, you know, just do a little bit of concealer. So I thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for supporting, and I'll see y'all later.
Life is my